2017 has been a milestone season for Pablo Carreño Busta. A first final at ATP 500 level, coupled with a first semi-final in a Masters 1000, has seen the Spaniard catapulted into the world's top 20 for the first time in his career. This Barcelona resident is full of confidence for his home tournament.
Well, of course, I'm very happy with this year. No? I think I'm playing the best tennis of my career. I improved a lot this year, my mentality to be more aggressive on court, and I think the people knows now that I'm a dangerous player.
A much touted youngster, the Spanish number 4 was rewarded as the ATP World Tour's most improved player in 2013, but in the 4th year since that accolade, results have improved immeasurably.
I'm playing better, and everybody knows you now, everybody knows how to play, how to win you, but this is fantastic for me. No? We need to continue working hard and improving my tennis for in the 2030 or 2025, try to do my best and try to be in the top 10.
In a transitional period for Spanish tennis, there is once again a glut of impressive players beginning to crowd the world's top 20. A resurgence from injury for Rafael Nadal has coincided with the continued progress of not only Carreño Busta, but also some other slow-burning talents.
We always have a lot of players in the top 10, top 20, top 30, top 50. And now Albert is playing really good. Bautista is also playing good. And of course Rafa is always playing good, but everybody knows that. And me, so we have 4 players now in the top 20. I think it's something good for Spain. So for Spanish tennis, if Rafa comes back, it's really good news. No? Everybody supports him, everybody knows him. So I think it's really good news for us.
Coming into his hometown event in career-best form means that Carreño Busta has had to reassess both his expectations for Barcelona and the rest of the season as a whole.
For sure, play here in Barcelona, no? At home. We play at my club. We play with every kids. Everybody knows you, so everybody supports you. So I will try to do my best here in Barcelona. The last years I cannot do my best, but why not the final or win the tournament? I have a lot of things to improve, so that's good news for me. The goal for this year was to be in the top 20. Now I'm top 20 player, so I will try to continue improving, maybe top 15, top 10, near to top 10 at the end of the year.